Hi guys, Bernadette here. Today's film is all about the unboxing of the Learning Tarot deck. So here we are. But first, if you're like me and you want to have an advent calendar, but you don't want to go down the chocolate route and you don't know what else to get and you're a bit of a witchy person like me, I have found an advent calendar that is absolutely perfect for your spiritual witchy friends, or if you're a witchy type person. This is no way sponsored. I bought this advent calendar off of Amazon. Can't remember how much it was, but I bought this advent calendar off of Amazon, and each day up until the 24th, each day up until the 24th, it's got a crystal in this box. So I don't know whether I'm going to vlog this or whether I might do a TikTok of, because I work, so I don't know whether I'll be able to get every day in. But if I can, I may do a couple of days of filming of me opening one or two, maybe by random, a door and seeing which crystal come out on my days off, maybe, and see what crystal comes out and what they means, because I have got a book on crystals, so maybe one day I'll open one of the doors, I'll get the book out, and we'll see what the crystal mean. Okay, but this is the box, Healing Crystals. I have not opened it. I've not opened it in any way. It's still shrink wrapped. So yeah, on the first day, if I am off from work on the 1st, I will try and open it up. Maybe on a YouTube channel day. When's the 1st? I don't know whether I'll be filming on the 1st. Anyway, maybe when I film one day, we might open up, to start the film off, I may open up one of my doors for you all for Christmas. So that, to me, that would make a superb advent calendar to the run up to Christmas. Anyway, with that said, let's get them out the way now. Also, if you've got a family member, again, I'm not sponsored by this deck, not sponsored by Amazon, not sponsored by anyone. I purchased these. If you like this deck, you can go on Amazon. I think it'd be a great purchase for someone over Christmas, especially if they're learning tarot cards. I don't see myself as a beginner level, but I still see myself as learning tarots, and these are a great pocket. They're like, in my hand they look giant, but they're like a great pocket size tarot cards to go out and express. It's just a pure black box. I don't think they're original. I think they're a bit of a knockoff, because they've got the coded back, or coded front. So I don't think these are original, because obviously there's no book. But then most of the information, if you see on the back, most of the information is already on the cards. which is what I love. This is why I wanted to purchase these cards, because most of the information is on the card. You just read the card. You don't have to get a book and just read what's on the cards. And they are reversible. So this is the... I think they could have made the front look a bit more fun. You know, put a bit more emphasis on the front. But I do think this is a knockoff packaging. I don't think this is a genuine copy. But I just wanted it to learn, and if you are a learner tarot, would be good for a learner to use. So with the box gone, I love the backs of these this deck. It's got all star signs around. It's got the moon cycle. It's got Mother Earth, nature, a little bit of chakras colours going on there. So yeah, that's the back. Card quality. Okay, I suppose, but then I'm used to any card quality really. I've got loads of cards that I can flip from, but I think these might be my new favourite. So yeah, I do like the backs of them. I think the backs are lovely. They're not trimmed with any edging, so maybe I think I'd like to see either gold or black trim if they were to. I don't know how to do it, so I will never do it. I will keep them as is. But I think a nice gold or black, maybe black more than gold trim. So there we are. Now they don't come organised, which is what disappointed me, because they start off with the 21st card, which I like starting off with, obviously, the full card. So they don't start off with the full card, they start off with the world card. So we'll do it how they've made us unbox it. So what I like about these cards is, if we have a look at the world. So we look at the world, it's a number 21, so they put 21 on. It's I think it's a root chakra. That's one thing I am going to have to learn, the chakras, the symbols of the chakras. I know where they are. I've just got to learn these symbols because I always get them mixed up. Also going to have to, that's the planet signs, I think. Planet suns, signs and stuff like that. So I am going to have to learn that. Also has a yes, so maybe your question is already answered. Yeah? So, but when it's upright, you can see it says, I hope. I don't know whether you can, whether that's gonna. Anyway, upright, that says success, achievements, accomplishments, travel, completion, fulfillment, sense of belonging and wholeness. So that's what it means when it's upright. And this is why I say it's such a good card for a learner, because I mean it is a deck for learners. And then if you turn it upside down, I also like the fact that they've actually got the card there as well. And then if we turn it up, it says lack of success, stagnation, lack of achievement, disappointment, abundance, lack of completion. So it also gives you a reverse as well, and all the cards are like that. So if I just pull a few more cards out, same. You got your reverse meanings, upright meanings, yes to the question, the planets, card number, chakras. So they've all got the same. So I'll do a little musical walkthrough between every card, like I do, and then I'll probably do what Daily Tarot Girl does, and I will ask the questions. These three questions that Daily Tarot Girl uses. So I'll get on to the walkthrough of the cards now. Right guys, so I'll get on with the walkthrough. So I'll show you the cards, all 72 cards, and then we'll do the walkthrough. Now, starting these cards, I didn't realise they've got little saying like secrets. Sorry about that, guys. I decided I want to knock my camera over. Right, so I've got abundance, routines, So right guys, as I was walking through these cards with you, I actually noticed on the backgrounds of sort of like the wands, swords and stuff, in the background they've actually got the element, like water, fire, they've actually got the element, air, in the background, earth. So I didn't know that. And also, in the miners, I didn't know that they had, you know, little phrases like travel, pouring out, loss, creative expressions. So that is going to be absolutely fabulous. So what I might use these cards for, one will just come up there, if that's a message for anyone. What I might use these cards, I might keep these cards near my bed and just pull one out every so often so I learn the cards. Yeah, so I learn more about the tarots and the cards and what they mean, because I've got snippets from what books and that is said, but I've never had a tarot card that actually tells you that bluntly. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cleanse the cards. So knocking on the cards, I'll cleanse them. Try and put my energy into them. So I try to put my energy into them. And they're going to split them. And I'm no good at this usually. Right, I split them. Going to one around. So one's upright, one's... I'm definitely no good at this now, guys. I've told you I'm no good at that kind of shuffle. But I thought, oh, I nearly lost them. Nearly lost the cards. So I'll do another split. So I'll split them again. Turn it around again. I might turn that one around again. So I might do these. There we are, that one. And I'm knocking my camera again. I must stop knocking my camera. And do a little shuffle again. See, no. Don't like me doing that shuffle for some reason. Right, a 333 just come up. That might be a message for someone. Close the deck again. I don't know why, but with these cards, I really got a sense of over clearing them. Making sure they are cleansed. Over clearing them. So, I'm now getting up the 3 questions that Daily Spirit Girl uses. If you like tarot readings and stuff like that, Daily Tarot Girl, Kate, her name is, she's a very good tarot reader. She also teaches you throughout how to do tarots. Very good tarot reader. So if you like tarot readers, you can go on to her YouTube channel. I don't know whether she watches me. I have watched some of her stuff, and she has pulled a couple of cards out, and she has been bang on. And as I said, she pulled a couple of cards out. 444 come up. That might be a message. She has been bang on to the T of what was going on in my life at that time. She just pulled a random card out, and that was 0505. That might be a message. She just pulled a random card out, and it was so specific to what I was going through, and she got it bang on. So I'm just going to shuffle the cards, and so what kind of deck are you? Learner tarot cards. Well, we know you like teaching people. Is the Emperor card going to come out? Because we know you like teaching people. What kind of tarot deck are you? What kind of tarot deck are you? Oh, there's too many there. Too many there. Just give me one, please. What kind of... There we are. What kind of tarot deck are we? A very fiery tarot deck. And we've got Vibrance tarot deck. I would say it's a throat chakra. Also got a little bit Capricorn in the moon. It's a yes card, even though it's upside down, so that'll be lacking in pushing demand. So you'll be a bit. This card is a bit pushy, demanding, overbearing, self-righteous, busybodied, bullying. Oh, I don't want to be a bully. I don't want the cards to be bullying me. Oh, wow. Maybe it's trying to say, with my intuition, to grow, you have to have a bit of tough love. Maybe it's a tough love card. It says it's a deck that, well, obviously it's a deck that says what it is. You will get no bullshit, bullying. You will get no bullshit from these cards. You will get no bullshit from these cards. So, what type of readings? What type of readings do you like doing? I think these are going to be my new favourite deck. If I don't smash my camera over again. I keep doing that every time I've shuffled cards just lately. I've no, not my camera flying. So yeah, what type of readings? Oh, too many. Oh, okay then. You definitely want to come out. Nurturing. They like to do nurturing. So very emotional deck, but balanced as well. I'm not sure. Is that a Uranus? I'm not sure. I need to learn the planets. Again, I think it's a throat chakra. It's the same chakra. So we've got fire, we've got water, we've got a vibrance, nurturing, throat chakra, balance, Libra, Capricorn, moon energy going on here. Both cards are saying yes. This is a mature, emotional female, security female, security feminism, loving warmth, sensitivity, kindness, happiness, intuition, romantic, loyal, faithful, shy, easygoing, wounded, pretty, beautiful, daydream, and physical. So I get the feeling it talks about, it's a deck that wants to talk about feelings and being secure and love and intuition. So I feel it's a card that's adaptable. These cards are adaptable to anything. Loves to talk, these cards, through the throat chakra. Loves to talk. Loves to talk about their passionate emotions, I find, with this deck. So right, last question. Please be kind to me. What do you look for in a tarot reader? What do you look for in a tarot reader? No, I feel like that card was trying to poke out, so... The Wheel of Fortune card, it's the 10th card. It says maybe. It looks for good luck, destiny, change, karma, soulmate, decent moments, circles of life, fate, fortune, upheavals, and changes. I'm not sure what the chakra one is on this. I think it's the solar plexus, because it's a yellow. No, sorry, I think, now looking at the back of the cards here, that's the yellow, that's an orange. So I think that'll be your sacral chakra, which is your sex chakra. So I'm not sure what the meaning is. It's a completion. It likes a tarot card to try and complete and probably try and not solve your problems, so to speak, but trying to give someone completions. I am absolutely loving this tarot deck. I need this tarot deck out more often. I think this tarot deck likes readers to be adaptable. It does like to talk about luck and motions and passion and growth and completing cycles. So it does like a tarot reader to wrap things up and get things going again. Yes, I do feel these cards like a passionate reader with a good throat chakra. And who knows, these cards might teach me how to develop my throat chakra and my sacral chakra. So who knows? Anyway, my little followers. This is the unboxing of the learning tarot deck. I think I am thoroughly, and I mean thoroughly, going to enjoy this deck. Earlier on, as I said, this is the film about the tarot deck. 323 came out, and that came out beforehand. So, and no, 44. So whenever I say angel numbers, if they're specific and you know about angel messages, take that message. It might resonate with you. Okay, guys. So yeah, I was trying to wrap up one. Yeah, these are going to be my new favourite cards, I think. I think I'm going to pull one out a day. And just see how everything goes on. So, yeah, guys. So if you like this this film, 444 came out. I don't think they want me to finish. I don't think they want me to wrap this up. Yeah, if you like this film, I'm trying to really get this outro done. If you like my film, please give it a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell on all down there. And when I said on all down there, 0505 came out. Press the subscribe button. Come along and subscribe to me. Tell all your family and friends. They can come and subscribe to me. If you're new here and liked my content, come and join the family. Subscribe to me. It will help me out. So, right, guys. Brilliant purchase for Christmas if you know somebody likes tarot cards. Brilliant cards to learn from. So, yeah. I'll see you next Saturday, guys. Bye.